Good morning, all my dear students. I welcome you all in my class of English. Student, I have already sent you two videos related to this chapter, Night Witches. And I had explained all about the war, Second World War. And I even explained about the female fighters, the pilots, and their bravery, their courage in the war. How they were called and why they were called night witches, I had explained you in the last two sessions of the videos. Here, in this video, I am going to explain you the conclusive part, the ending part of the story, about the daring work, incredible work, and their great determination. So let us see risk and dangers. As I have already told you, several parts of the war, especially the female pilots who flew the small aircrafts, how they faced the risk and dangers during the night flight. The night witches had to face several risks during their flight. Their planes had open cockpits, leaving the women's faces to freeze in the chilly night air. When they flew at night in chilly cold air, the cockpits were open, and so their face froze only in that chilly wind. Still, they were determined to carry on their mission. They carried bombs and they continued their flight. After a successful flight, Popova counted. I have already told you about Nadezhda Popova. After a successful flight, Popova counted 42 bullet holes studying in her small plane. When in one successful flight, Popova, when landed, she found there were 42 bullet holes studying in her small plane. So she was so thankful to Almighty that God had saved her life. Sometimes they got frostbite when they looked out to see their target better. When they were trying to see their target in a better way, more visible way, they got frostbite and their feet froze in their boots, but still they continued flying. So was the daring, their determination, their bravery, and this was the reason that they were given the name night witches. When they flew and their plane made the whooshing sound, the German people, soldiers, recalled about the broomstick of the witches. So let us see, my dear, here next part. Here, that was creator of the regiment. Who created this regiment, this female pilot regiment in the story that we have not now discussed? Let us see. The Night Bomber Regiment was one of the three female fighter pilots units created by Stalin. Stalin was a great leader. He was a great leader of just Soviet Union. You will study in the history later on in higher classes. So the Night Bomber Regiment, this was the name of the regiment. The Night Bomber Regiment was one of the three female fighter pilots units created by Stalin at the insistence of Martina Raskova. You can see here the face of Martina Raskova. See here what Martina Raskova. She was responsible to train her recruits as pilots and navigators. She was responsible. Martina Raskova was given this responsibility to train recruits as pilots and navigators. Let us proceed Here, the incredible aircrafts, as we have already discussed and learned a lot about the aircrafts, which were thin, small, and no doubt made of simply, you have already read here, plywood. So it was really so dangerous to fly, carrying the bombs, tons of bombs, to drop to their enemy soldiers. The flimsy little aircrafts proved true companions and protectors for the women pilots, who were called night witches. These were reasons they did all that while decorating their planes with their flowers and using their navigation pencils as lip color. This was what they gave just wholehearted respect. They trusted their companion, that was the aircrafts, flimsy little aircrafts. They were there just heart and soul. They were the part of their existence, as these aircrafts proved to be a great companions, which not only helped them in every flight to make their mission successful, but saved their lives as well during the war. Now let us see here, as in every part I am including some questions. Here also I have brought some questions from your exercise understanding the text and their answers. Sorry dear. So let us see the question that is here. In the last video only I had just given several answers, and here the question that is for you: which factors made the night witches missions particularly dangerous? I have already explained in this part of your video, but let us see here what is that. Which factors made the night witches missions particularly dangerous? The witches flew only in the dark at night. We have already learned, we have read in the chapter that the witches, these night witches, the brave women pilots, flew only in the dark at night. They carried the bombs and flew at low altitudes, at low heights, without parachutes. You can simply imagine their risks only that they really took during the war. They had no radar to navigate, to show their path. If their planes hit by bullets, their crafts could burst into flames like the paper planes. The planes had no cockpits, leaving the women's faces to freeze in the chilly night air. When the wind was strong, their planes tossed in the air, in the sky. You simply can imagine the risk and dangers these women pilots faced, but continued their missions, carried on their missions successfully. These were the reasons that really brought such kind of reputation, such kind of really name for these women. Next question is here, that you can see this is here the line taken from the story, that is here extract based questions. Katya, my dear, we will live long. Who said this to whom? Who said this to whom? Popova told to her navigator. This statement was told by Popova to her navigator. What happened just before this? What had happened here before this? Popova found that after a successful flight, there were 42 bullet holes studding her little planes. There were also holes in her map and even helmet. So let us see here. Next one. Why do you think the speaker said this? What does this line say about her character? The speaker said this because she thought herself very fortunate and thankful to Almighty, thankful to God, who saved her life after really facing so many bullets which were studying in her aircraft, 42 bullets, and still she just came back alive. This shows that she had great faith in her determination and spirit and didn't fear death. Here, the next question and the last is here. And they did all that while decorating their planes with flowers and using their navigation pencils as lip color. What is referred as all that in this statement? Here all that is referred to all the honor and respect they could pay to show their spirit to their aircrafts, to their companions. Why do you think they decorated their planes with flowers? They decorated their planes with flowers because they were small and weak, despite they proved their true friends. Despite all the aircrafts proved their true friends, the women pilots' true friends, which helped them carrying 23,000 tons of ammunition, and in every adverse situation they saved their life. So let us see here what is here the last one. Using their navigation pencils as lip color, does this indicate cleverness, a sense of humor, a sense of a style, or something else? Explain. They decorated their planes using their navigation pencils as lip color to express their deep emotion, credibility, and love for their intimate companions, true companions. Their planes always proved reliable and trustworthy. So, student, these were some of the questions. In the next session of the video, I will include some more questions and even other exercises that is grammar based, and in this way we shall conclude whole year chapter in the next session. Thank you, students. Thank you all joining this session of the video. Thank you.